Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to log out WhatsApp. So in this case, if I go to WhatsApp, see there is no option to log out. If you go to account, if you go to privacy, there is no option to log out WhatsApp. So if you want to log out WhatsApp, you have to follow this simple procedure. Just go to settings from your phone. Scroll down a bit and you will find manage apps, this one. Just click on that. Sorry. Then scroll down and find your WhatsApp. Where are you? See, here's my WhatsApp. Just click on that. Then you can see here three options: storage, usage, data usage, and battery. Just click on storage and clear all data. Clear all data. Yes, this one. Delete all data. Yes, okay. Let's see if your WhatsApp logged out or not. Go to WhatsApp. See, my WhatsApp was logged in. Now it's logged out. So if you want to log in again, you have to set up and log in. So guys, this is how you can log out WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.